Can I withdraw money from a deceased person's account? Well, let's say a parent died and you need to access their bank accounts because you need to pay, let's say, for funeral expenses, or maybe you need to pay their bills, or maybe they told you that bank account, the money that's in the bank account is yours, so when I die, you can have it. The question is, can you access it? How does it work? What kind of documents do you need? Well, first of all, a bank has to know that the person has died. Usually the bank is notified by a loved one, by a family member, maybe if there is a will, by the executor, or eventually, if no one notifies the bank, they will find out when that social security number becomes inactive, and then maybe they can receive a notice that way. But the minute the person died, that bank account, the money in the bank account, either belong to the estate of the deceased, or if the bank account has a POD, a payable on death, a beneficiary listed, that money belonged to the beneficiary. So the better question would be, as opposed to can I withdraw money from a deceased person's account, would be, did that bank account have a listed beneficiary? The bank may or may not tell you. If you are the listed beneficiary, then they will tell you. If you're not, they may tell you we cannot talk to you, or they may tell you there is a beneficiary and you're not it, or you may need to file an affidavit or even probate. So once again, if that bank account does not have a beneficiary, a POD listed, the bank account belongs to the estate, and you will likely not have access to the money either until a probate is filed, if a probate is needed, or you may be able to collect that with an affidavit of small estate. That's if you are entitled to the money based on your relationship to the decedent. To summarize and to go back to the question, what kind of documents you need to access the bank accounts of a deceased person, the bank will let you know. If there is a beneficiary listed, a POD, only that person can collect the money, and they will need a death certificate and a form that they'll probably sign at the bank. 2, if a probate is needed, the bank will let you know a probate is needed, or maybe an attorney can help you determine that. We offer free phone call consultations just for that purpose. Or 3, you may be able to collect the money with an affidavit of small estate, but please be sure that you are the right person to do that you are entitled to do that, because sometimes people can get in trouble, or they can have a hard time returning the money that they may have spent when they collected it and they were not entitled to it. I hope this video answers some of your questions. Be sure to watch our other educational videos. Maybe join us for one of our in-person free educational events at the Well here in Norman. Thank you for watching.